Hey, hi all. So today we'll be see a quick program on whether a year is leap year or not. So to do that, like I have already written this code, this part of code, and now we'll be seeing the logic how to implement it. So it's very easy questions, but sometimes we forget about the condition which you have to use. So we have to use a if condition within which we have to use two or three combination of conditions. So like a year is divisible by if the year is divisible by 4, okay, and not divisible by 100, in that case a year is leap year. If the year is divisible by 100 as well, then we need to go for another check, like whether year is divisible by 400 or not. If it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. If not, then it is not a leap year. Okay, so like that we have to do the condition check. So year if year equals to sorry, 1% 4 equals to 0. Okay, if it is divisible by 4, there is one check. And if the year ampersand 100 equals to 0, but not equals to 0, it should be. Okay, so this is one condition. So if this condition is true, in that case the year is leap year. Or there is or sign here. If the year, let's say this condition is now evaluated to false anyhow, so then or statement will be executed. It will go for the next check, like year is divisible by 400 equals to 0. So if now the right part of this condition is true, if the last part, if it is true, then it is leap year. So we will print it as something like sys out yes, no, is leap year. Okay, so this statement will be printed. Now we will check it whether it's working or not. Yeah, so it's saying like 1999 is leap year, but it's not leap year, is not leap year. Okay, so we have seen like we have given the input as 1999. So we know that 1999 is not a leap year because this condition is not evaluated to true. So that is why this part is executed. Now let's say I'm giving a year like 2020, 2020, this year. I mean 2020 year. So we know that 2020 year is divisible by this condition is getting satisfied. So it is a leap year. Now the next is like 2022. So we'll check it the today this year current year is leap year or not. So it is not a leap year. So like this we can verify our condition, and we can have some different implementation, like we can provide some a month, like here with the days of the month, and we can find the number of days of the month February or whatever month. Let's say if it is divisible, if it is leap year, then the February month should have days of 29. If it is not a leap year, then it should have a days of 28, something like that. So that part also we can implement. Okay, so so what we can do, like um, let's say days. So we will here write is 39, 31, then comma 28, because in general it is 28, but if it is leap year then 29. So then January, February, March, then April, then May, then June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, so we got it. Now what we'll do, like we'll give a month like um, print days, and we'll send the let's say we want to print the year, like first we will give the year 2022 and 2. Okay, so second month means it should be February. Okay, and we'll create the method. So we will see like if is leap year, this is year, this is month. So if year, if this is a leap year, okay, is a leap year, okay, so it's saying that we need to give a condition of return type as true or false. So what we can do, like now we know that this is fine, so return true, return false. Okay, so now is leap year. If this is a leap year, then print days, I mean we should return 29, else it should return days, days in month. So this should come here, I think, or it can be here because this is not recorded there. So days in month, this month 2012, or actually it should be the month -1, and here we need to return integer. Okay, now print days, it should be, we are getting the print statement here, so we have to sys out here, and we should see the results here in the main method. Okay, and now I'm submitting out, this is not required. So now let's run it. So as you can see, 2022 is not a leap year, that is why it is returning 28. Now let's say I know that 2020 is a leap year, right? Or we can check through our program, like it should return 29 because this condition is getting satisfied. So that is why is leap year condition is getting passed and 29 is getting returned. Likewise, we can give any number 1990, 1945. So we know that 1945 is not a leap year, so should return 28, and let's say 1948, whether it's a leap year or not, we can check it here right away. So 1948 is a leap year, and 1948 is as it is a leap year, so that is why it is returning 29. So I think we have learned from this program. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.